Hello friends, today we will discuss about the factors that affect burning. So earlier we have discussed what is burning and we have discussed what is combustion. If it gives out flame, it is burning, whereas combustion, it gives out light and heat in any form be it. Okay, so the various factors which is required for combustion are: first one, oxygen. Oxygen is supporter of burning. Next, heat or temperature. So each and every things that burn requires to attain a temperature before it burns. And lastly, fuel, which burns. Okay. So first and foremost, let us come to oxygen. So it helps in burning. So you would have seen this if someone catches fire. It was told, we have learned it quite earlier, that it was told you have to push yourself down on the ground and roll yourself. So what will happen when you roll? The burning, the place it is burning, it will not get enough of oxygen. This is an experiment also that is done to confirm it. If I place a wood, on that I place a burning candle and I close it with a jar, and I put two support. So there is a flow of air why the candle keeps on burning for A. Next, in the case of B, what happens is you are going to completely place the jar on the burning candle without any support. So there is no flow of the air, and slowly the candle will push itself down slowly. And the same thing in option C, when I close it with the upper part is being closed with a board, it will very soon again get off. It's all because there is no supply of oxygen, which is a supporter of burning. So herein you will see that even it is always being followed, if you would have seen it in movies, etc., that if a person catches fire, we usually roll the person in the blanket. Again, the same reason is that we cut down the supply of oxygen, which is a supporter of burning. Next, coming to this, if I have a paper funnel filled with water and one paper funnel, empty paper funnel. So I place both of them on a burning candle, I will find that the empty paper funnel burns faster than the one containing water. It is because the temperature for burning is not reached. So based on the temperature at which the burning would take place, it can be the combustion, it can be a rapid combustion, which suddenly it keeps on burning until and unless there is the fuel that is there. Spontaneous, which suddenly catches fire, and explosion, okay, which is very rapid. Okay, so the difference between rapid combustion and spontaneous combustion: in a rapid combustion, it is initiated once, whereas spontaneous combustion takes place by itself. Rapid combustion, external heat is required to start, whereas spontaneous combustion, there is no external heat which is required. In a rapid combustion, large amount of heat and light is evolved in a short time, whereas in spontaneous combustion, small amount of heat and light is evolved. What is the example of rapid combustion? Is burning of domestic cooking gas, whereas spontaneous combustion is burning of phosphorus on its own when it is exposed in air for some time. Now, the temperature that I was talking about, that it should attain before it starts burning, this is called as ignition temperature. It is the lowest temperature at which a combustible substance, when heated, takes fire in air and continues to burn. So that is known as ignition temperature. Okay, so now you would have found these warning sign in many bottles, like the bottles of some bottles of the deodorants also will carry this, very common, which you can see. Okay, sanitizers would carry this. Then any of the fire extinguishers. So this is flammable, which has got very low temperature, and having such a low ignition temperature, this can easily catch fire. That is why we have this warning symbol of flammable, which means that I should not place it very close to fire. If it is placed close to fire, it will easily catch fire. So this is one of the options that is given. So I hope that things are clear to you. If you have any query, please feel free to comment me. Okay, thank you so much.